I'm sad.
You're sad. Oh, Lily. Don't be sad. Because it makes Mama sad. You happy now?
Yeah.
Nak, she said, Nak, I'm sad.
Can I say that again, Celine? Say I'm sad. I'm sad. Say it again. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm sad.
What was that?
I'm sad.
Not sad. That one like, aha, that one.
I'm sad.
Good morning, everyone! Happy Tuesday, guys! Nandito na naman kami sa harapan ng coffee shop. Bumili kami ng baby chino ni baby Celine. Here for you, my love. What do you say to Mama?
Mama.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Wala man yung thank you, guys. Buti pa si Celine. So, kakatapos na naming i-drop ang ating Ate Paris sa school, guys. And nag-stop kami kaagad dito to buy our coffees. I'm having hot chocolate as always. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng library because it's Tuesday morning and at 9:30 my rhyme time si baby Celine. And yeah, that's our agenda for this morning, guys. And I'm so upset kasi itong batang ito, binahan ko ng kanyang water bottle. Ayan. Alam niyo ba, akala ko iniinom niya, but she was actually playing with it. Lahat dito, guys, basang-basa siya kasi nilalagay niya sa kanyang bibig tapos ganun, basang-basa siya dito. But we have to go to the library now, so lagyan ko na lang ng ganito, oh. Tapos may jacket din naman yan siya. Anak, if you get sick, Mama will be really sad. Yeah. Katawan ako ni Munak. Because it's been a while na hindi sila naging sick, guys. And you know, I'm very grateful. Kasi, nako, ibang-iba yung mga bata kapag may sakit. Shall we go now? Tapos na tingnan nyo. Yes? Nami? Finished? Sobrang cute pa naman ang kanyang outfit for today's video. Anak. Finito? Yummy yama? So it's now 9:11. Diretso na kami ngayon sa library para hindi kami malate, guys. So our daddy Mike work in the office today. Maaga siya kanina, guys. Sobrang aga niya nagising. My goodness, I think it was 5:30 or 5. Narinig ko na nagsa-shower na siya. And then, he woke me up when he left. Sabi niya, "Ay, mommy, hindi siya maalis kapag hindi nag-I love you sa akin, sa mga kids." Ay, tulog yung mga kids, guys. Sinasabihan niya na, "I love you, princesses." Gumaganon yan siya. Maaga siya ngayon kasi, alam niyo ba, guys, I'm super proud of our daddy Mike. He just got promoted. And yeah, so senior role na siya ngayon, guys, and may mga changes na sa kanyang work, time-wise, responsibilities. Obviously, kapag na-promote ka, there's more responsibilities, diba? Yun ang sabi nila, great power comes with great responsibility. Kaya yun, so maaga siya, but I think maaga din naman yung tapos niya. So maaga mag-start, maaga din yung tapos. And yeah, I'm super happy, guys. Super proud of our daddy Mike kasi you know, he just moved to this job when we moved here in Brisbane, right? End of 2021. And I saw the struggle. Pagdating namin dito sa Brisbane, di ba? Wala pa kaming eksaktong bahay, naghahanap pa kami ng bahay, but he already started working sa work niya ngayon. every 2 weeks, iba yung yung bahay namin, so different addresses, and he has to commute to work, but he loves it, especially now he's using the ferry. Loves it to death. Like he always takes photos kasi sobrang ganda ng view, and obviously the weather makes a lot of difference sa feeling niya. Look at him now, goodness. He deserved it. He deserved ni Daddy Mike, guys, kasi I can see how hard he works and how dedicated he is sa kanyang trabaho. Like nakikita nyo naman pag work from home siya, it seems like my barrier, like my shield, even though nandyan kami ng mga kids sa background, kapag nag-work siya, he's like this. He's so focused. Hindi niya feel na may mga tao, na may mga noises sa background niya. Like, yeah. Sobrang galing ni Daddy Mike pagdating sa ganyan. Kaya ngayon na na-promote siya, deserve. Just yesterday, right? Before, like, in-interview siya, and yesterday, he was interviewing someone. Alam niyo yun, like, nakaka-proud lang ba? Kasi, nag-interview sila sa alam niyo yun, like, video ko, kasi yan naman ngayon, guys, dito. And, like, when I listen to him, ibang-iba talaga ating Daddy Mike, guys. Very, very switch on, very smart. Kaya, no wonder, sa Ate Paris natin, very din. Especially, the way they talk, well, the way Daddy Mike talks, the words that he's using, sobrang up there. Anyways, I think I'm just a very proud partner. Alam niyo yun? Okay, now. We're gonna sing now. Bean? Okay. Good girl. Okay, go dance. Mouth and nose, we all clap hands together.
Fantastic. Now, let's sing if you're happy and you know.
Leanie, show mama. Show what you got. Oh, star! Wow, just like you. You're a star. You wanna wave to your friends now? Come on. Good girl. Okay, we'll walk back to the car. Walk back to the car. Oh, here, this way. Leanie, our car is here. Sorry. Our car is here. Come on. That way. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going, Baba? Huh? We're gonna go back to the car. Very cute ng outfit ng ating baby, oh. You look very like... Ay, may ibang plano ang batang ito, ah. Gustong pumasok ng library. Yeah. We might just borrow books while we're here, anak. What do you think? You okay? Alam na alam niya ang daan. Where is the rabbit? Rabbit. There. Great job. Where is Leanie? What's your name?
Nini.
And how old is Leanie? 2. Next month. Siya talagang mag-scan.
No!
Wait a minute. Look. Okay. But here.
Mommy.
Put your book. Oh, quick.
Mommy, no.
Oh, that's very
Mommy.
cool, guys. Na. Lagay niya lang ang books dyan. May mga chip yan kasi. Dyan na lahat.
Me.
Okay, come. Press it, this one. Email receipt. There you go. Thank you. So we borrowed 5 books. There's one happy girl with her book. Ha? Kinuha niyo pa yan sa original owner. May humahawak niyan guys eh. Gustong gusto niya. Wow, Lini with her book. Is that your favorite book? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just like your ate.
Hop.
Pop. Show me.
Yeah.
Show me which book is that. Whoa. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
That's good. This way.
A few moments later.
We're home guys. It's 10:38 ng umaga. Yan. So, straight from the library, pumunta ako ng post office guys. Kahapon pinakita ko sa inyo, diba? Kailangan ko itong pick upin. Hindi ko nagawa kahapon. So, I did it this morning. It's also part of the AliExpress haul na ginawa ko last time. Pero ito siya, naiba siya, hindi siya nasama doon sa isang plastic. Look! Cute! Ito yung pares ng damit na binili ko for baby Celine and Ate Paris. So, this is for baby Celine's birthday. Hopefully, this one will fit. Oh my God, sobrang cute naman ang bling-bling na to eh. Look! Oh my God! Princess! Sana mag-fit to guys. So, this is for baby Celine. And, sobrang cute. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. And, there's another one for Ate Paris. It's exactly the same. Different size lang. Look. Super cute. Ayan. Magiging princess ang ating mga girls nito. Pag nasuot nila. So, that one, I'll see kung magkano ko yan siya binili sa AliExpress. Okay, so that one is actually sobrang cheap niya, guys. So, for these 2 shoes, yung binayaran ko is $48.60. So, plus the tax, just over $50 for these 2. Oh, diba? Sobrang cute. I think it's worth it. Made in China. So, size 22 for Celine and size 26 for Paris. I'll get them to try this one on later. We'll see kung kasya ito sa kanila. Sobrang cute. And, ito yung book na hiniram namin from the library. Ano yung isa? Naiwan sa sasakyan. Yan. How are you? Going to big school? I'm not scared. And one book was all it took. Yan. So, hindi ko pa naisauli yung 5 books na hiniram namin from last time. But we have 1 month naman bago isauli, guys. Bago kanila singilin. So, it's okay. Hindi pa kasi nabasa lahat. And, meron kasing ganito sa school ni Ate Paris. 2023 Premieres Reading Challenge. Ayan. So, ilalagay mo yung mga book, mga title ng book, tsaka yung author ng book na binasa mo. And you can give it back to school. And it says here, return it by Friday, 25th of August, so next month. I got Paris to read as many books as possible para mapuno niya yung ano na yan, form na yan. But this is it, pan sit. And as you can hear, our baby Celine is watching from nursery. I'm just the background. I'm thinking about making. Now, shall we make scrambled egg? Nini, would you like some scrambled egg? Baby girl. Celine. Celine, would you like some scrambled egg? Come here. Oh. Aww. Come, do you wanna help Mama? Maaga po kasi hindi pa ako nag-breakfast ba? Hindi pa nga ako uminom ako ng hot chocolate kanina, pero normally, yung iniinom ko talaga is yung sunrig ko na kape. 3-in-1. Look! Look what Mama's got you! Nini!
And Mimi.
That's Nini, see? Do you like it?
Mama, she might.
Do you wanna try it on?
Mama.
We'll see kung mag-fit.
Mama.
Oh my god, this is super cute, Celine. Hopefully it will fit, anak. Hopefully it will fit. Wow. Wow! Perfecto! Hello, so cute! Look at this! Do you love it? Oh my god, that is so gorgeous!
Mama, take it.
Other one too? Okay, we'll put the other one. It's sparkly! Sparkly shoes. What do you say to Mama? What do you say to Mama?
That's Mama.
I'm sure you're welcome, Princess. I love you. So cute. Look, look, look. Wow. Is Lainey happy?
Mommy.
Is Lainey happy?
Have my.
Okay, that's milk. Okay, I'll give you milk. Trial ko muna na, Ben. Save that. Hala, sobrang ganda, guys. Basta lang, Ben. I'll just show quickly lang kasi I can't get over it. Tingnan niyo. Oh!
No.
Super cute. Your milk? Okay, milk. Yeah. The Mama will make scrambled egg, okay? We'll eat. Kumain naman yan siya kanina before kami nag-drop kay Ate Paris. Kumain siya ng cereal kasama sa Ate Paris kanang umaga. Yum, yummy! Hindi ko madadagdagan natin ng kinain na. And then she'll have a nap. Yum, yum! Kumakain na si Inday, guys. So, made her scrambled egg, got strawberries and toast. Oh, and Mommy has to do all that. Can you see in the background? The folding. Folding the clothes, anak. I wish my automatic folder, eh. Lord. Pagkatapos labahan, kailangan pang i-fold. Diba, anak? Dami ko pang i-fold, guys. And then, it's okay because magkakape na naman ako ngayon. I've got my sun-made naman coffee. So, I've got my energy. Alam nyo, hindi ko napamalayan yung oras, guys. Pagkatapos nito, bilis-bilis, ha? It's time to pick up Paris na naman. Minsan, hindi ko na nagagawa lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Pero minsan yung dapat tupiin, nandyan. Nakahilata. It's okay. Buti lang, minsan si Daddy Mike, siya yung magtutupi kapag nakikita niya na hindi ko na nagagawa. Time check, guys. It's now 2:30 ng hapon. Hello. Nikat-kat nagsyara, oh. Yeah, we're going to pick up at the Paris now. Do you need Mama's help?
Yeah.
Help? Okay.
No, mine.
It's yours. Change outfit kami, guys. Kasi basa siya kanina, 'di ba? And then nag-nap. No. Hang on. Let me borrow the other one. We'll go pick up our ate. You excited? Very warm, guys. Tingnan nyo, hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng leggings.
Mommy.
Mommy, what is this?
Daddy.
That's JJ.
Papaya.
Wala ng leggings kasi
Mommy.
hindi man
Mami?
hindi man maginaw na. Hala, asa man mo isa kasi nilas lang. Okay. Oh, human. Naiwan ata yung isa sa taas lang. Tinail kagig karon bataa ka. Hi, princess. What's this?
Button.
Oh, the drawing. Uy. Love you.
Good morning, Mommy.
Are you a teacher?
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Miss Paris.
My name is Miss Dylan.
What is it?
My name is Miss Dylan.
Miss Dylan. Oh, Josh, come on. Can I also have 3 chicken nuggets and a Happy Meal? No thanks, and just water, please. That's all, thank you. Ta. Nandito kami ng McDonald's drive-thru. We will get something to eat, guys. Kasi gutom na mami niya. Sorry, gotta pay cash.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yep, perfect. Thank you. So,
Yeah. Where's Nancy?
thank you. So, na-pick up na pala natin ang ating Ate Paris, guys. So, diretso kami dito. I can't imagine kung gaano kahirap yung work nila, guys. Kasi, especially yung nagsasalita. Parang multitasking talaga ba? Kasi nagsasalita siya. Tapos, hi. She's giving me change. And then she's asking the other customer kung ano yung order nila. Thank you.
Apple is for apple.
Thank you.
Is for
Okay. Let's park
is for
somewhere.
is
It's so bright.
is for elephants.
Let's park here quickly, guys. Para ibigay ko sa mga kids ito kasi we need to go home.
Is
Now, may magpipick up ng bag.
for
And nag-message siya, sabi niya, she's on her way na daw.
G.
Alrighty, kids. Look! What's in here? We have to share though, okay?
My cat is falling
Yeah. It's okay. Go get the toilet and then I'll give the books to Celine.
My baby want it.
Oh, of course. Look at it, Lini. Got chicken nuggets.
A few moments later.
Take your socks off, ate. Ma-spot niya kaagad, guys, pagkapasok niya ng bahay. What do you think of that?
It's look good.
Yeah? It's the other way. It's the other way. Hopefully, it fits you lang.
Mommy.
Ooh! Wow! Cinderella, honey. It looks like it fits you well. Just.
Look.
Look up.
That. Ma, it's touching up here.
Wow. Oh, yeah, okay. How about you? I sure about you. Okay, put it on. Other one.
Wow, I thought you had to pull it there, but it's like.
Yeah, I know. It's a trick. Ding, isabi.
Why did you do that, you silly goose?
Wow. Lini will. Oh, it's the other way around. Babagil. It's the other way around. It's here. It's this side. It's in this side. It's this side. Look.
It's not falling.
There.
It's not falling.
Hang on, sweetie. Wow, babe.
It's not falling.
Oh, it looks so beautiful. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh, what do you say?
I got the aerial fishes.
It's beautiful. I love it.
Have a look.
Okay, this one too. Lini too.
Have a look at this.
Wow.
And guys.
I love. I'm so happy with the sizing. I got them right. Tingnan niyo. Oh. What do you say to Mama, Lini? Lynn, what do you say to Mama?
Mama.
You're welcome. Josh, dance. Oh, I'm so happy.
For her hair, so it's fresh. Now a little bit of your lips.
What do you say to Ate Paris lang?
Daddy, Auntie, you're welcome. Daddy, Auntie.
Tingnan nyo, mermaid yan sila guys.
This is a magic potion I made. I mean, what? It's plain water, but this is to make your face fresh.
Ginawa niyang mermaid ang kanyang sister.
I'm
Wow.
my tail. I'm a mermaid.
What's your name?
I'm mommy. Nini, my mommy too.
Oh, Lini's mermaid too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like to be mermaid?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, very long tail.
Mommy. Auntie, I'm Nini, mommy too. Close your eyes this time. Look at you. Look at her face. Close your eyes.
Tingnan nyo yung bangs guys, hindi nagtupong-tupong.
Orange. I'm doing. Give me your hand.
Wow.
It's a lip balm too.
It's for everything.
Yes.
For hair, for your lips, for your face. It's all around.
Legs. Daddy.
You don't have legs, Ling Ling. You got tail.
I can do it on her tail. That's her legs. The tail. The tail is her legs.
Yeah, buling. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ginawa dito sa kwarto. Guys, para namang bumagyo dito.
Now it's my turn to be a mermaid. I just have to.
Don't be sad, Lini. It's okay. Just call Ate.
Okay.
Hey, come.
Tom. I'm mommy too.
I know.
My name is mommy too.
Mommy too?
Auntie.
Ate! She's doing something. It's okay. Shush, 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 shush. Don't be sad. She'll be here soon. Can we be patient? Yeah?
I'm Auntie from mommy.
There you go. She's here.
I'm making something. That's my mommy too.
Ate, she wants you to do me as well. Shush. Shush yung mata. Shush. What was that lang? How do you do that?
I'm sad.
You're sad. Oh, Lini. Don't be sad. Because it makes Mama sad. You happy now?
Yeah.
Nak, she said, Nak, I'm sad.
Can I say that again, Celine? Say I'm sad. I'm sad. Say it again. I'm sad. I'm sad.
Ay, drama queen.
There's something. You do something.
this Ling? Mmm.
I said.
What was that?
I said.
Not sad. That one like, aha, that one.
I said. Mommy, tita, teacher, mommy.
Yeah, I know. Quick, ate. Now we have to do our steak now, honey. Daddy will be home soon.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
I put mommy. I teacher.
Time check, guys. It's 5:59 ng hapon, ng gabi. We're getting our dinner ready now. Wala pa si Daddy Mike, guys. Tapos siya ng 5. I'm not sure. Baka na tied up na lang yung door. We'll have steak for tonight. I'm gonna have this for Celine. Ito yung ginagawa ko for Celine, guys. Boil ko lang. Ate? Lini? It's 6 o'clock. Ate Tara, 6 o'clock now. Lini will follow.
Ready to.
July. Hala, bakit ito? July, ano? Ito, August. Good. The other ones. Yeah, August. Oh, we have to throw this away na. For 2 days ago. Sayang naman, eh. Sayang naman. Hindi naluto. Let's see. Maglulutuin ako ng kanin, guys. Sira na ang ating rice cooker. Magluto na tayo para because Daddy might will be here soon. Para pagkarating niya, makakain na agad. Yung mga kiddos. Ayan o, hindi libak natin Daddy Mike o, nag-message just now. Nakarinig. Look, tingnan nyo ang message niya, guys. Kita ba? Love you. Sana all. Sana all. I love you. Nakarinig sa ating usapan, guys. Asa na kaya yun siya? Hindi ako nag-message since kanina eh. Nag-send lang ako ng picture ng mga kids. Yan o. Kanina. Nung oras ba yan? 4 o'clock. Tignan nyo si Celine. Play natin.
Hello, girls.
They're mermaids, Daddy. They can't walk.
Mermaid.
Lynn, what happened to you? What happened to your tail? Oh no, Lynn can't walk now.
That's so great!
What?
Daddy, I'm a mommy too.
You a mermaid?
Oh, look at this.
She's a
You a
mermaid.
mermaid? Are you a mermaid?
Yeah. Bob, Jasmine's very chatty.
I can walk.
Who's a mermaid?
Yeah, that's my mommy. Lily, my mommy too.
Lenny a mummy too?
Lynn mermaid too. Lady, walk? A walking mermaid.
Walking, walking mermaid. I want to hear how spell it is. So you walk around the school with your senses.
Believe it or not, guys, it's midnight. 12:02. Ngayon na ako nag-vlog ulit. Alam niyo ba, pinatulog ko yung mga kids. Nakatulog din ako, guys. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nag-storytelling. And, yun. I fell asleep as well. But, I remember, hindi pa ako nakapag-toothbrush. And, nakapaglagay ng mga kung anik-anik sa aking mukha. So, gumising ako. Hindi ko akalaing midnight na pala. Anyways, we will do a quick shout out before ko bumalik agad sa pagtulog. Shout out to Sweet Shy Kulit, Delaney Prince, Red Manhanworth, Janzi Pinay Australia, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Josephine Gimparo, Mercy Narito, Rose Rory sa Camposano, Emily Baby Fashion, Victoria Baptista, Jenly Beauchamp, Ashik Life, Maricar Castaneda, Angelina Ledesma, Loleta Lacuesta, Rosel Flor, Maria Miguela Dumancas, Maria Fe Caneda, Lenny Langit, Yet Palino, Kai, Eleanor Tanutan, Jamila Kawaja, Faith Canaleja, Margie Tambayap, Paulina Kinis, Nona Romero, Mercedita de la Merced, Rhea Ann Capa, Rosemary Arquita, hello Bess, thank you for watching, and Evelyn Ramirez. Yan. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of his family. I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. If you can, be careful.